Okay, so Kelly's preparing to make herself an egg. She's preheating the pan, but I just wanted to show, here's egg. This is a store-bought egg, the white one, and here's one from our beautiful Americanas. Okay. Look, Mama, look how clean that looks.
It is fertilized because you can see.
You can see the dot right there.
Where do you see it?
I don't see the dot. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Right.
Okay, and then let me show you this.
Right there.
Yeah. And then let me show you this. See how it's like really clear? See the outside is like really clear? And this is a store-bought egg. Let me show you what the difference looks like. Do you see the difference of the yolk?
Yeah.
So that is a smaller egg because our chickens are still young. So they're getting used to laying eggs, like it's like anything. Practice makes perfect.
And that's our first egg too. Look at that clean yolk. It's awesome. Or the dark yolk, and then the white part of the egg is very, very creamy looking. Look at that. See how that is staying all by itself? Oh my goodness, that looks good. It's a little smaller, but like we said, first egg. The girls are growing still. Burbly, burbly, burbly. Okay, so now you see the color of the yolk as it's broken. And apparently they're explosive.
I like my yolks a little cooked. Sorry for everyone who doesn't.
I like a runny yolk, but that's all right. She's the one eating it, not me.
Okay, so this is the fresh egg.
Is that our chicken, or is that the store-bought?
This is the fresh.
That's ours.
Okay. And then this is so I'm gonna try this first.
Store-bought, like always. This tastes like an egg, right? Okay, now ours. See how much fresh egg tastes like.
Oh yeah.
Is there a difference? Really? Like what?
It's like a rich, creamier taste in the yolk. And you know how like when you eat a chocolate chip cookie out of like a store-bought chocolate chip cookie, you can kind of taste the preservatives?
Right, yeah.
Eggs are kind of the same way. Like you can kind of taste, I mean, obviously it comes out of they both come out of a chicken, right? But this tastes more processed. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah. This one has a super creamy yolk.
Just get like a little thing. I don't want to take it away from you. Just a little.
Do you know what I mean by creamy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's like a creamy taste.
Dude, that's good.
Let me show you. This is the store-bought egg with the yolk.
Sorry. Yeah, not even close.
Okay.
Sweet.